at those clouds, it's pretty gloomy.
Yeah, I know. I think it's showers, isn't it?
I think it is.
It's really black.
So look, you've got a nice little walkway over there. Shame you can't get your car over. And then we'll probably be waiting for here for, I don't know, 90 seconds before it comes. We're currently at Ware crossing. So you've got stops all the traffic. You've got the red lights, and then you have the green lights, and then the barrier will be raised. But how long are we going to wait? It's currently, hang on, what time is it? Put it back. 13:17. So how long are we going to wait for? What do you reckon? 22?
2 minutes.
So how long have we been waiting for? What, a minute or so?
Yeah.
I reckon they have a grace of 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, here it comes. There we go. It's the nice shiny new, and it looks clean as well. Going all the way from Ware into Liverpool Street, London.
There's nobody on it.
And there's nobody on it because it's a Sunday. And I don't know where they're going. Are they going to see their friends,
God,
have
it's a double
some
train.
lunch, or see the Queen? There we go. So there's a few cars behind us, but no cars on the other side, and there's a pedestrian, and off we go. See you on the next video. Bye bye.